Greetings, comrades. This is Living Caleb, back with another unboxing video. Sorry if I sound a little bit tired. I woke up at 3 in the morning and had work early and just barely got back home from work. After I filmed this footage and processed the video and uploaded, I'm going to take a nap. But anyway, I thought I'd show an unboxing video real quick because, well, I decided to get a few things sort of related to the NexiGo controller. Let me fetch it real quick. Which, yeah, this will probably be my next controller review, and I'm going to tell you right now, I love this controller. These Hall effect joysticks are second to none when it comes to third-party Switch controllers. So yeah, then we're going to review this later on, but I wanted something from the same company that is also just as good, if not even better. But before we do that, I thought I'd get this small thing. I got a couple things here, and I figured I'd show off this real quick. This is my old 8BitDo wireless receiver, which I mainly use for the SN30 for the Raspberry Pi, and yeah, it works pretty well, but try to use it on the Switch, well, it doesn't work, because with the later Switch updates, it rendered this particular adapter useless. So you can probably still use it on the PC and whatnot, but I mainly use this for the Raspberry Pi. But I decided to get the second iteration of the wireless adapter, just 20 bucks, and I figured I'd give it a try because, well, what's interesting about this is that it's compatible with all 8BitDo controllers, but you can use Xbox and PlayStation controllers with this dongle, which means you can use your Xbox controllers on your Switch, and you use your PlayStation 5 DualSense controllers on the Switch, and I guess PlayStation 4 as well, which actually has Control Connect compatibility here. So you can use a DualSense, DualShock 4 Pro, DualShock 4, DualShock 3, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One Bluetooth controllers, the Switch Pro controllers, Switch Joy-Cons, Wiimote, Wii Pro controller, and all 8BitDo Bluetooth controllers and arcade sticks. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Just, you know, turn on the controller into pairing mode, press the button on the adapter to enter pairing for this, and then as the LED becomes solid, the connection is successful. Very straightforward, which, yeah, I forgot to get a knife, but I'll fetch one. It's not too far from here. Yeah, it's pretty much literally the same thing as the regular adapters, just compatible with a wider variety of controllers. Whatnot. And here it is. See the 2 on there, you know, this is the second iteration, so you don't confuse them. Which, yeah, it's going to be interesting playing Switch games with my Xbox controller, which I'm going to try to use the Elite Core controller, because, yeah, I'm already using the regular Elite on my PC. So yeah, this is going to be a nice little thing to use. But now let's get to the bigger thing. Now, as I mentioned, I love the NexiGo NS32 controller. Okay, I woke up at 3 in the morning, alright? And really love this controller. Definitely going to do a review on this later on. But I also heard about the Gripcon, which there are a few different versions. There's a regular one. This is the Gen 2 version right here. There's a similar box design as the controller. Also with the Cosmic Nebula controller. And funny thing, I almost ordered the wrong one. Which, I forgot to mention, this pretty much goes for this. Basically, the NexiGo controller and the Gripcon, there are 2 different versions. There's one with regular potentiometer joysticks, and one with Hall effect joysticks, which are one of the Hall effect. And good thing I checked the order before it shipped, because I checked it, it's like, I gotta make sure I got the right one. I checked, there was a package which included the carrying case and the Gripcon itself. It had the regular joystick, so I quickly canceled that and ordered the proper Hall effect joystick one. So that's what I got. Same deal with the controller, Hall effect joysticks, auto turbo function, accurate motion control, dual motor vibration. And it shows you the 3 different versions. And check out the Cosmic Nebula because it's cool. Yeah, there's also this clear ice version with more RGB on there. Just to let people know, the console is not included, so yeah, this is just the grip for the Switch. It's not the Switch itself, something to keep in mind. And not much else in the packaging, so I guess I don't need a So we'll need a knife for this one because there's no tape. And I figured, you know, pretty simplistic packaging, just like the controller. Okay, I'm holding it upside down or whatever. Oh, slide it out. There we go. Like I said, loving this NexiGo controller. It's pretty much my new daily driver for the Switch. Yeah, you can use it on the PC wired. Wirelessly, I'm not gonna bother trying with that. If you get these third-party Switch controllers, you want to use it on PC, just use it wired. I tried with a few of them, you know, setting up wirelessly is a real hassle. And here we go. That sleeve. So yeah, no instruction manual, no. Don't throw it in the sun, you know, have to play with it in Antarctica, you know. Don't put it in the microwave, all that jazz. And naturally it comes with a Type-C cable. And here we go. Here's the Gripcon itself, and wow, this feels really good. I dare say it feels better than the Hori split pad, which is pretty comfortable because I try to go for these because I have big hands. So naturally, I want like a larger grip for these kind of things. Yeah, there's those joysticks. Here's a D-pad. It looks a little different from the controller, but it feels nice and clicky. Oh yeah, about the same as that. You got the turbo function buttons here. Got the screenshot button, home button. Plus minus. You know, as a shadow, the camera's kind of in the way. Not much I can do about that. Clicky. Yeah, also has rear grip buttons. Which, yeah, that's one thing I forgot to mention about the NexiGo controller. It doesn't have any grip buttons, which I don't use them that much. But, you know, some people, you know, rather have them not need them than even not have them, you know. I might as well check the back real quick. So, yeah, those are grip buttons. And a vibration button as well as a M button, which I'm going to look that up real quick. Let's see. Okay, this isn't a turbo. This is a light button. Those are just the lighting for the Gripcon. Which, as far as I can tell, this does not use batteries. Let's see. Okay, the M buttons are the mapping buttons, which I use those to, you know, bind certain buttons to these grip buttons, okay? And these are the vibration buttons, the haptic feedback buttons, okay? There's a charging board, which, yeah, given how wide this is, yeah, you can't really put this in the dock. Which, yeah, since I have the Switch right here, yeah, I made a little goof to talk about this. Yeah, Hori Switch Pad Pro, really comfortable in the hands. I don't like the feel of it, and yeah, it's a good thing there's a bit of a gap here because you actually can insert this in the dock with these equipped. Though the same can't be said for this because you notice it has that Type-C connection right here. And it's pretty thick down here, so naturally it's not going to fit in the dock. So to use the NexiGo, you need to enable the Pro Controller wired communication. I actually already did that. Which, yeah, for setting this up, you have to set the Pro Controller wire communication on. And funny thing, you actually have to plug this in wired in the Switch before you can actually use it wireless, which is kind of weird, but, you know, do what you gotta do. Okay, so quick start guy. Well, I've already did that. Ooh, I like the back here. It's nice felt back, so it's not gonna scratch the back of your Switch, that's for sure. And from what I've seen, yeah, it's compatible with the Switch and the Switch OLED, which I think that's gonna fit because the OLED's a little bit wider than the standard Switch. I'm gonna pick out these Switch pads. Okay, I'm gonna insert the Switch here. Just connecting that Type-C port. A nice little press. There we go. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap there. see right there, because this is again, this is compatible with the regular Switch and the Switch OLED, which is the regular Switch here. So, okay, nice and working. And so you're working fine because, like I said, I already set the Pro Controller wired communication on. And there's the nice lighting. For some reason, the light bars here are brighter than the rings around the thumbsticks. Kind of weird. Okay. Let's just set it as green. I'm gonna set it to blue because, you know, blue's my thing. But definitely feels nice. See, Borderlands 3. These work pretty well. Might as well just test the buttons real quick. Let's see. Input devices. There we go. Let's make sure everything's working good. Up, down, left, right. I'm gonna take a screenshot, but that works. Oh, and that works, and yeah, it fits pretty comfortably in my hand. I dare say it's more comfortable than the Split Pad Pro that I showed off earlier, which yeah, something I should mention. Yeah, the Holy Switch Pad Pro, these actually don't have any internal batteries. Like, it relies on the Switch's power. Because you'll notice these little, you know, the regular Joy-Cons, these are also shoulder buttons. Yeah, these aren't shoulder buttons, they're pretty much solid, so no batteries in these, so it pretty much relies solely on the Switch connection, and that must be true here. So there's the Gripcon, and naturally, if I get a grip like this, I'm going to need a case for it, and that's where this comes in. Official NexiGo carrying case, and yeah, how am I supposed to say it's a carrying case? It's a little dinged up here, but it's no big deal. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. You know, it tells you there's a handle, you know, just in case you thought it was, you know, a spare tire or something, you know. Well, it does come with game card holders, that's handy. Double zipper sliders, okay. And it's pretty much compatible with all these NexiGo Gripcons. But what's interesting is that according to the Amazon description, this is also compatible with other similar controllers like this. It's even compatible with the Switch Pad Pro, as well as the Satisfy gaming grips and a few others. So it's pretty nice. Looks like this one I am going to need a knife. So where did I put it? Hold on, just here it is. Okay, got my trusty little Sheffield knife here. I realize the switch is still on, so it's just I want to turn on the volume, I want to power it down for a bit. Okay. Yeah, for the record, this and the Gripcon case were in bags instead of a box, which they usually ship this kind of stuff in boxes, but little dings on it. Now, if it's the Gripcon, it gets dinged, a different story, but this is a case, so I'm pretty sure the case is okay. Just wrap that. Get a little bit of a... Oh, it's on the bag itself. Yeah, yeah, just typical bag warning, don't give it to kids so they don't suffocate. Here it is. That's a nice little head, but it feels pretty sturdy. And here we go. So I'll open this up. The NS32 out of the way. Put this in here. Yeah, fits like a glove. Look at there's a Velcro strap here, which holds this flat down, which looks like it can hold up to, yeah, it holds up to 10 Switch games. Because I thought the slot's right here, but no, it's up here, there. Okay. And looks like you have a little extra space in here, which I guess you could either connect to the put the charger here, or I guess you could put Joy-Cons. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try it. Which, yeah, it's mainly for this bad boy, and there's quite a bit of space on the sides here. So I guess you can use like other, you know, Switch grips, as I like to call them, and they're provided they're not too big, which, yeah, fits perfectly in there. So I don't know, if I want to take this on the go, I can. And have a little compartment here, so you can put like, you know, extra Joy-Cons or cables or anything like that. So it's really nice to have. So I guess next time I go to the laundromat, you know, I can bring this with me and have some fun with it. So anyway, that's this unboxing video, comrades. Like I said, you know, want a new set of Gripcons. I hear a lot of good things about the Gripcon here from NexiGo, so I figured I'd try it out. And of course, needed a new 8BitDo wireless receiver, so I'm curious how Xbox controller is going to play on the Switch. And actually, the Gripcon, need a case for it. You know, it's all framed or whatever. So anyway, I'm getting Caleb signing out. Excuse me, I'm gonna go take a nap after I get this processed, of course. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,